In today's video, I will walk you through how to see any company's balance sheet on Yahoo Finance. To get started, open the Yahoo Finance app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Tap on the search bar and enter the name or ticker symbol of the company whose balance sheet you want to view. As you type, a list of matching results will appear. When you see the company you want, tap on its name to continue. This will take you to that company's page, where you can view additional information and financial data. After the company page loads, scroll down until you find the section that contains tabs such as Summary, Analysis, and Financials. These tabs allow you to move between different categories of information for the company. Locate the Financials tab and tap on it. Wait a moment for the financial information to load. Once the Financials section is displayed, look for the option labeled Show All Financials Data. This option appears as a highlighted link within the Financials area. Tap on Show All Financials Data to open the complete financial information page for the company. After the page loads, you'll see several financial categories available near the top of the screen. Look for the tab labeled Balance Sheet. Tap on Balance Sheet to switch from the default financial view to the company's balance sheet information. Once the Balance Sheet tab opens, the balance sheet data for the selected company will appear on your screen. You can scroll through the available information and review the figures shown within that section. If you want to check the balance sheet for a different company, return to the search bar, enter another company name or ticker symbol, select the company from the results, open the Financials section, tap Show All Financials Data, and then choose Balance Sheet again. The process remains the same regardless of which company you select. Simply search for the company, open its page, go to Financials, select Show All Financials Data, and then tap Balance Sheet. If the information does not appear immediately, give the page a moment to load before continuing. Once everything loads, you'll be able to view the balance sheet directly from the company's financial data page. That's all there is to it. By searching for a company, opening its page, navigating to Financials, selecting Show All Financials Data, and tapping Balance Sheet, you can quickly view the balance sheet of any company on Yahoo Finance. Thank you.